Yo.
What are you doing?
Making some video. Guess what they're playing?
We're playing WoW.
That's right. Imagine that.
Hey, Evan, guess what you're playing?
Yo, mama.
Oh, you said that.
Good, tell her.
She's got a boyfriend. You gotta beat you up.
Is he black?
No.
Then he won't beat me up. I'm not racist, I'm just kidding. Don't flag me.
He lives in the mountains. Don't flag me.
Grizzly Adams.
Yeah, he lives in the mountains, man. He's dangerous.
Grizzly Adams did have a beard.
DJ's in and out. Going to the theater.
I'm not racist. Don't tag me.
Okay, so if you guys could see that, we got about, I think, it was over 13 inches of snow. It was like 13 inches when I measured it at lunchtime today. So, yeah, we got like 13, somewhere between 13 and 15 inches of snow, I think. So yeah. Also, if you see it at the end, the clouds are gone. It's a completely clear sky. I could see so the stars in the screen, but I'm not sure if you could actually see them in the video. I guess we'll find out. So anyways, I was telling you about how... No, wait, I don't think I said anything about it. So, my Mass Effect 2 discs on the Xbox, they said they were unreadable, and I couldn't figure out, like, what was going on. And so I think I figured that Mass Effect 2, both discs need to be downloaded to the hard drive of the Xbox to work, but I only have like 9 gigabytes free. Ooh. Oh, I haven't seen that. Hi, anyway. Yeah, so, I lent Mass Effect 2 to my friend Alex, and he, in turn, lent me his PC version. So I'm playing it on the PC while he's testing out my Xbox version to see if it's the disc, or my Xbox, or it needs to be installed to the Xbox or whatever. Yeah, so anyways, and it'll probably be a long time until I see Heather. She's really worried about germs and stuff. She's like really paranoid about that kind of stuff. So yeah, and my dad's got it now, so my mom's the only one who hasn't gotten it yet. And both of my friend Alex and Austin were both here. Austin was the one upstairs with my brother playing WoW. They were both here while I was sick, so they might get sick too. It'll be interesting to see how that pans out. Anyways, I'm gonna go do stuff. See you tomorrow.